Nature is wild. Last night taking out the bins, I hear from the backyard, "Babe, look up!" And my partner and I stood there for about 20 plus minutes watching thousands upon thousands of bats, or flying foxes, as we call them in Australia, flying overhead. Now, the fly out, what they're doing is a common thing, but what's not common is the formation. So like the long, consistent line they're in, how many they were, how long it went for. It was like unreal. Like I can't even fathom what we watched last night. Insane. Look at that.